Honorable C note.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me.
Alright you guys, today we are working with Megalook hair. I have worked with them in the past and I have no complaints. These are all the goodies they sent me with this gorgeous, oh my god y'all, this very gorgeous black and purple highlighted wig. Now they did send me this wig in 24 inches. They said they would send 26, but I don't know what happened. They sent 24, but that's even, you know what I'm saying, that's still good because the wig is long, silky, and very full, as you guys can see. Now, going into the bleached knots tutorial, you guys, I think I showed you guys this in my last video, but I just used 3 items, y'all. I use a blue cap full. The blue cap comes with one of these items, y'all. And I left this on for only about 10 to 15 minutes because the knots were very small. They didn't really need to be bleached like that much. So this is perfect for beginners that don't really know what they're doing. Listen, click the link down below and get this wig because as y'all can see from the intro, this wig, oh my god, I ate it up. And I also posted a picture on Instagram with this wig and you guys were going insane. So yeah, everything will be linked down below. Go shop with Megalook, okay, if you want that quality for your price, okay? Megalook did that. I wanted to go and show you guys where the pink is distributed all throughout the wig and how full this wig is, y'all. This wig, I think the density was about 180. I'll let you guys know down below, but this wig just really exceeded my expectations. Now, going in with the Erica J Sleek and Shine Spray. It is also a heat protectant. That's what I use now on all my hair that I straighten, that I curl, that I crimp, anything. I have to use this spray because it really just, it elevates your look, okay? So I'll show you guys here. And when you guys see smoke, don't be scared because it is also a heat protectant. If you guys want to go check out that product, go ahead. It's not sponsored. I purchased it with my own money and I just really like it. It elevates your wigs, so you might need that if you're a beginner and you want that hair salon look.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get hella free, keep it beat. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a booty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tips in the moment, so I feel like baby king. What's this black? Step up something, so I dress like baby me. I'm cold, cause you ass a nigga, you know it's giving cream. I got when there's not enough, I'm feeling the team.
I need chips, I tell that nigga, he like a baby, carry that on my head. I just need a son, cause shorty got me pleasure for boy, I get that money on my house, give a fuck about my friends, on my said she can't be touched, that I make that gut it, I know that I'm rich, but that's my project, royalty me something to my bitch, she gon' switch.
Push a T, push a bundle, need a brand new weed, kill my dog, please I go Keanu Reeves, get him gone, why you telling me, just let it be, honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me, keep it G, but come out that A, just let that be, TLC, no I'm finna creep my phone on D&D, that's my song, ride that to beat, I ride that to sleep, you ain't beat, you know you beat to me, he beat to me,
I need chips, I tell that nigga, he like a baby, carry that on my head, I just need a sip, cause shorty got me pleasure for boy, I get that the money on my house, give a fuck about my friends, on my said she can't be touched, that I make that gut it, I know that I'm rich, but that's my project, royalty me something to my bitch, she gon' switch, royalty me something.
Now, as you guys can see, the knots are bleached on this wig, y'all. It looks so good. It looks very natural compared to when you first get wigs and they have that Johnny Bravo super thick hairline. Bleach your knots. And I also did some light plucking, y'all. I didn't want to mess this wig up, so I did some light plucking and I went in and flat ironed the hair off camera. Y'all, it took me a very long time to flat iron this hair because the density is just so much hair. Now, going in with my ball cap method, y'all know I love a ball cap method, and I'm also going in with some hair glue. You guys always ask me, how do I keep my wigs on for days? in this Texas 100+ degree heat. And I'm gonna be honest, it depends on two things. Number one, the quality of your glue. Number two, actually depends on a lot of things. The quality of your glue, how many layers you're putting, and how you're putting the layers on. And then lastly, the quality of your lace. Okay, so if you guys want some good lace, shop with Megalook. They'll be linked down below. As far as glue, this is the Touch by Misty glue. But I'll be honest, you can use any glue, okay? Yeah, I know I don't really be promoting glue like that because it'd be a hit or miss for me. So I'm just going in with one layer of glue. Then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it. As far as the install goes, I'll be going in with 3 to 4 thin layers. And that's how I keep my wigs glued to my head, okay, during the summer. So, yeah.
Me and Timberland, we got the hits from here. From here to overseas, the estimates. Check it one time. See, me, I'm super fly, super duper fly. Rub your hands up my thigh and go super duper high. See my apple pie. Tell me if you lie. Tell me if you lie.
Baby, got me tipsy, tipsy, all around me. You love tasty, baby, sending me crazy, crazy. Can I be a lady? I love that thing you say to me. I like it when you're talking dirty. Can we get kinky tonight? I got so many things on my mind.
Y'all, this wig was absolutely giving what it needed to give. I did some light plucking, nothing too crazy, but y'all see the hairline is still giving a little Johnny Bravo. So I am actually gonna go in and pluck the hair some more. But I want you guys to see how big this wig is on my head. The frontal goes all the way from ear to ear, y'all. So if you got a big head, this wig is big head friendly. Okay, so I did have to do a lot of cutting. I did have to cut off a good amount, which is not bad because if you got a bigger head than me and my head is a 22-inch, you'll be okay. So this is how the hair looks straightened, you guys. It is bone straight. I straightened every single strand, and it's giving rock star, it's giving punk, it's giving Ed Hardy, it's giving JT, like the weird, you know what I'm saying, like that weird, you know, y'all know what I'm saying. But that is what this wig is giving, okay? Real cute. You can get real creative with this wig, but y'all know I don't know how to do all that. So, yeah.
See, me and Timberland, we got the hits from here. From here to overseas, the estimates. Check it one time. See, me, I'm super fly, super duper fly. Rub your hands up my thigh and go super duper high. See my apple pie. Tell me if you lie. Tell me if you lie.
Baby, got me tipsy, tipsy, all around me. You love tasty, baby, sending me crazy, crazy. Can I be a lady? I love that thing you say to me. I like it when you're talking dirty. Can we get kinky tonight? I got so many things on my mind.
Now I'm going in and plucking, y'all. I'm just doing some random plucking, trying to get rid of that super thick Johnny Bravo hairline. And I don't do it no specific way. I just try my best not to stay in the same spot, and it gives me that look that I'm going for. I told y'all before I didn't know how to do hair like that, but now that I don't know, these hairstylists, they want $1 million for a wig install and it don't even last. So I was like, you know what? I have to teach myself. I have to learn. Okay, so shout out to y'all for watching, because y'all are learning as well. Okay, we're learning together.
Crazy, can I be a lady? I love the things you say to me. I like it when you're talking dirty. Can we get kinky tonight? I got so many things on my mind. I've never seen a gossip.
So now I'm gonna section out some hair for my baby hairs. Y'all, it's so simple now. I finally get it. I'm using the Erica J. Oh my god, I don't even remember the name of the gel, but it's Erica J's gel, and I'm pulling out a little bit of hair, and I'm also curling down and not up. I used to curl up, so I curl down. Everybody does it differently, but this is how it works for me. And my biggest issue, you guys know, was baby hairs, but I finally did it. So yeah, shout out to me. Thank you so much to Megalook for sponsoring today's video and sending me this gorgeous wig. I mean, if y'all can see, this wig literally melted into my scalp, and it looks like it's growing straight out of my head. So if you want that look, go ahead and check them out down below. Check out their Instagram. I'll leave all their social medias linked down below. Tell them I sent y'all. They might give y'all a little discount. Okay, so I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Honorable C note. Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get hella free. Keep it P. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a booty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tips in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step on something, so I dress like baby B. I'm cold, cause as a nigga, you know it's giving cream. I got hits when there's not enough, I'm building the team.
I need chips. I tell that good. He like a baby, carry that on my shirt. I just need a son. Cause shorty got me pleasure for. Boy, I get that money on my house. Give a fuck up my face. On my said she can't be touched. That I make that gut it. I know that I'm rich, but that's my project. Royalty me something to my bitch. She gon' switch.
Push a T, push a bundle. Need a brand new weed, kill my dog. Please, I go Keanu Reeves. Get him gone. Why you telling me just let it be? Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it G. Welcome out that A, just let that be. TLC, no, I'm finna creep my phone on D&D. That's my song. Ride that to beat, I ride that to sleep. You ain't beat, you know you beating me, he me.
I need chips. I tell that good. He like a baby, carry that on my shirt. I just need a sip. Cause shorty got me pleasure for. Boy, I get that money on my house. Give a fuck up my face. On my said you can't be touched. That I make that